causes scratches in there. We do have a machine called a glide burnisher which can clear away the debris and any ridges made from the scratch, allowing us to put a new set of read-write heads in and hopefully read the rest of the data on there. But it's not a guarantee. Too much damage on the platters, it's going to be a failed case. Nobody can fix. You can't fix damage on platters. You can only clean it up and hopefully read other data. So that kind of covers most of the mechanical parts of a hard drive. Now logical, firmware. So firmware is the part that's it's kind of the software operating system of the hard drive itself. So it stores a lot of the information that communicates with the computer it's attached to, and just a lot of stuff in there that's needed. If that firmware gets corrupted or goes bad or has some bad sectors in there, doesn't communicate with the computer doesn't allow the hard drive to function, don't get any data. Again, corruption could be bad sectors, could be corruption of the firmware. Again, the corruption can cause things not to work, and bad. OS reinstall, operating system reinstall. Maybe you install a new version of Windows and things don't go as they should. Again, the drive itself is healthy, but maybe the operating system reinstall wrote over a bunch of data. Depending on how much that drive is used after that is whether data is recoverable or not. And then deletion or reformat, same thing here. If you delete data from a drive and you notice it right away and you stop, your chances of getting that data recovered is a lot better than if you delete it, don't realize it 2-3 weeks later and you've continued to use the computer. The odds are your deleted data got written over and it's gone forever. Same with a reformat. You'll sometimes plug a device, usually an external or even a flash drive. Hey, do you want to reformat this? Oh, okay, click. If there's data on there, it got overwritten. Now again, if you notice this right away, chances are a lab or maybe sometimes even software can find that data. But if you reformat it, you use it, and then you go back later and realize, oh, where was my data that was on here before? Chances are that data is gone. So in a nutshell, with hard drive data recovery, really looking at mechanical and logical issues. Every piece of these has their challenges as far as difficulty. We have some pricing videos on our estimate page. There'll be a link on this page. You can kind of get some ideas of different scenarios and kind of the pricing that goes along with it, as well as kind of what goes into the pricing from our perspective. So take a look on there. There's more detailed information on this page. If you scroll down, you're going to read through it, getting more in depth. But hopefully this information was helpful. All right, thank you.